Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to fix RoShade not working. Go to the window icon shown at the bottom and search for Task Manager. Open the Task Manager and scroll down to view different options. After that, open your web browser and search for RoShade. Click on the first website and go to the download option. You will see Pro and Lite plans here. Download the Lite plan, which is free. Hit the download button and you can visit the homepage at the same time. As it gets installed, open the RoShade website. Hit the install button and click on next. It will start installing your software. After that, click on the window icon and search for Roblox. Click on the open file location option. Right click here and select the open file location. Now right click and click on the Roblox player launcher and choose the properties option. Go to compatibility and tick the disabled full screen optimization option. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.